What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here. I've got this package here from none other than Adam. Now, I got this package yesterday, not expecting it from him. It just kind of appeared here at the house, and I have no idea what's in it. So, now I kind of have an idea of what I think is in it. He told me that he was going to Mike and B Bus Sales, which is a dealership and junkyard. He asked if I wanted anything, and I said, yeah, I want that one thing off of that one bus, which is my normal response if anyone ever asks me if I want anything off of a bus if they're going to like a junkyard or something. So I'm assuming it's something from there. I have no idea though, so we're gonna open it up together and take a look. Alright, got a note here, Okay. I got you some things from Mike and B. Take this as a token of my gratitude. Even if you already have the IC emblem, I appreciate you and the fact that you tolerate me and my shenanigans, Adam. Okay, well, I guess I guess we know what's in here now. Okay, nothing in there. Got something in here. Got something in here, and in here, and some bubble wrap. Alright, cool. So let's see what all we got. This one is the IC emblem. I can tell by the shape, but it's got all this sticky crap on the back. Alright, cool. I do have an IC emblem. I don't remember if I just said that or not, but mine is cracked down the middle. So I don't have one that's not cracked. So yes, this is a much better IC emblem than I already have. So cool. And then I got to get this sticky crap off of the back of it so that it, cool. Thank you. So put that over here. Flip that over. Let's go for the smaller one now. It looks like a little model. Ah, I know what this is. I can kind of see. This is a little Crown Super Coach model. Let's see, is that... I can tell. Yeah, so this is a little Crown Super Coach model. These are getting harder to find. You see them every here and there on eBay, but there's IMAX Crown School Bus. Let me see. I don't know what to compare it to size-wise, because this thing is here. Let me just what do I have here? Here's a quarter. So yeah, as you can see, this thing is it's pretty small. So yeah, wow, very cool. It's a good model too. I don't remember if I have one of these or not. This might be my first one of these models, but like I said, I can't remember if I have one or not. So very, very cool. Thank you again, Adam, for that. I'll throw that over here. And last but not least, this is another emblem. It feels like it, at least. Alright. Ooh, okay. This I know I do not have, an ICFE 300 emblem. You can see me. What does this say? The adhesive was too strong. Hopefully you can still peel this card off. Okay, well, I guess not. I guess this is just gonna stay on here with this. So I'll try later, but yeah, I know I do not have this, but I'm gonna take a while to guess and say that these two came off of the same bus. And I'll ask him for some pictures of the bus that he took these off of, and I'll throw them on screen. So yeah, whoa, this is very cool. This is some good stuff here. I will also link in the description his Flickr page, because I know he posted some pictures from his little visit there on the Flickr page. So I'll link that down below if you're interested in seeing all that stuff down there. And of course, I'm going to be linking his channel probably in the card on screen if I haven't already. and of course in the description below. So cool. Huge shout out to Adam, Project 681, for all of this. Greatly appreciated, Adam. Thank you, thank you. Very, very cool. Thank you, Adam. Very cool. Um, but yeah, so this is a good little haul, I guess. So thank you. But anyways, guys, that is pretty much it. Just wanted to find out what was in the box and share it with you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's magical red button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it. I don't care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or every single emblem will always have adhesive off of it, and you'll never be able to take it off. And make sure you also share this video with a friend. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't get raped. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.